I'm going to suggest every person use AI all you can. It'll make life way, way easier. You'll get your answers in 30 seconds. Whether or not they're right, you got to do a little homework. But if you've got medical issues, if you've got recipes you want, you can get them way, way faster in Copilot or in ChatGPT. Now, with respect to taxes, that's a different story. I'm Ed Jenkins. I'm a professor of practice and accounting here at the Smeal College of Business. As a member of the AICPA's Tax Practice and Responsibilities Committee, I'm responsible for the Statement on Standards for Tax Services. And over the last 2 years in our committee meetings, and I meet with the top quality control partners of the large firms, we've probably spent 60 or 70% of our time figuring out the ethics associated with the use of artificial intelligence tools in tax. If you think about consumers using AI tools to do their tax return, without the collective wisdom of the tax professional there to make sure it's right and to check everything, I'm not really comfortable that I can say there's a high success rate that an AI tool off the internet is going to be able to accurately, calculate your taxes and compare that to what you've paid to determine the return. And there are many other tools available. So you can free file your return through VITA. You can free file your return through online tools through the IRS. So those tools were an interview-based tool. So you would answer the interview question and it would go down its decision tree. So you could kind of say those were early versions of AI, if you will, where we were just coding the decision tree into the software. But now the distinction between AI and a tool like that is the AI learns. And so the AI is going to ask you a follow-up question because it learned in the last 30, or 300 returns it did that, people that have self-employment income might want to consider the qualified business income deduction, and they may want to make sure that they're now getting the enhanced elections for depreciation. So the AI tool is a learning tool, and it's learning from all of the other folks that have filed. Now that raises some ethics questions because there are some rules about the sharing of information. And if we don't know what information the tool is sharing or learning about you, then we don't know whether or not your privacy and confidentiality is being respected in accordance with the law. So we need to understand the programming and what the AI tool is learning to have appropriate guardrails around that to protect consumers. And that's true for colleges and FERPA, as well as hospitals and doctors for HIPAA. So it's not just the tax professionals worried about their privacy and confidentiality of these AI tools.